Whenever I see Get Outlook for iOS or Get Outlook for Android in emails, this drives me crazy. If it is a business email, changing the default signature is an absolute must, especially if Outlook is effectively putting an ad there. I bet that having this as your email signature can be a big reason why people aren't answering your emails. So please, please, please change it. It's really easy. Here I have Outlook on iOS as an example, but the process is practically the same on Android. All you need to do is go to your settings, then to signatures, and remove this annoying ad. As we are already here, it's a perfect time to turn your email signature from just some plain text into something useful and functional. I send a lot of emails and I make sure that people have read them afterwards. They have all my social, my website, a way to book a meeting with me. You can do all this without ever leaving the email in just one click. Let me show you how you can do that. So, back in the Outlook app. Here I can put whatever I want. It might seem that the editing options provided by Outlook are pretty limited here. You can put in text, add some formatting, embed links, which is already much better than it was before. But the great thing is that this field supports HTML, which means that we can put practically anything we want here. Designing your perfect signature here on your phone is possible, but it's hardly practical, so professional approach requires professional tools. Here I have MySignature, which is a dedicated solution designed specifically for these purposes. Here you can just create a new signature straight away. It gives you an option to either go completely from scratch or to pick an existing template and modify it. Then you just fill in the fields like your name, contact information, add your website. Then you can add your picture so it all looks professional. And on each step, you can also decide which field should be clickable and where they should lead. You can add links to all your social networks, add add-ons like legal disclaimers, banners, call to actions, or even specific buttons. Like here I can allow people to go on a call with me straight from email in one click. Once I added all the information I needed, I can play with the design a little more if I want to. And it's done! Then I just select Outlook here in the menu, copy, go back to Outlook, and paste it. That's it. Now, my signature is great looking and functional. I can create several variations for different purposes, like I can have different call to actions for internal communication and for reaching out to clients. And if I have a team, I can make sure we're using the same template so all our emails look nice and consistent with my signature.